Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share a board in Monday.com at 2022. Some things have changed in Monday, so we have to update our videos, but this thing is pretty clear still. What do we have to do? We have to go to the top right corner and check these three dots and click on board settings. We have to change type of this board and change it to shareable. Straight away, they are asking us if we want to change it. We press change, and right now we have this main table icon. We click there and we go to share. We can start sharing, and then you have a shareable link or empty code. By copying it, we just click on copy, copy paste it, and miraculously you see the board that we created. You can only view this board. That's the best thing about it. Those people can't really change anything in this board, and that's a good thing. That's really nice and sweet stuff. If you want to stop sharing this one, it's very easy. Just press stop. Or if this link is not working for any case, you just click regenerate, and it will basically change the URL. If you want to stop it, you press on stop, and that's it. If you want to revert and make it back to main board, you can go to board settings again and change it to main. This way you won't be able to share it anymore. But that's not the only thing. If we click it back and change it to shareable, we can even go to Gantt graphs that we created for this table. I know they are not the most accurate, but we click on share, and yet we can share a Gantt graphs as well, which in my opinion is really great thing that you can work with if you want to create a presentation or send someone a Gantt graph. And it's very easy, that's why I love working in Monday.com or working with Monday.com. So thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them underneath this video, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.